you ever dreamt of soaring through the skies like a bird, feeling the wind rush past you and the world beneath your feet? Exhilarating journey into the world of hang gliding, a sport that lets you do just that. So, fasten your seatbelts, or should I say, hang on tight, because we're about to dive into the world of hang gliding. Hang gliding, the sport of flying in lightweight unpowered aircraft, is a thrilling experience that allows you to harness the power of the wind and gravity to glide gracefully through the air. But how exactly does it work, you may wonder. Picture this: you're standing on the edge of a cliff or a hill, the anticipation building as you prepare to take off. Your hang glider, a sleek and aerodynamic structure, is your trusty companion for this adventure. With your heart pounding and adrenaline coursing through your veins, you run forward, and as the wind catches the glider's wings, you're lifted into the sky. It's a breathtaking moment, that feeling of weightlessness as you leave the ground behind and become one with the elements. But hang gliding isn't just about the initial rush. It's about skill, precision, and mastering the art of controlling your glider. Hang gliders were developed by the pioneers of practical flight, and over the years, they've evolved into highly efficient flying machines. The glider's wings are made of lightweight materials like aluminum or carbon fiber, designed to maximize lift and minimize drag. The pilot is suspended in a harness beneath the wing, which allows for ease of control and maneuverability. One of the most remarkable aspects of hang gliding is the freedom it offers. Unlike traditional aircraft, there's no noisy engine or complex controls to contend with. Instead, it's just you, the glider, and the open sky. As you gain experience, you'll learn to read the wind, adjust your body position, and make graceful turns through the air. But hang gliding isn't without its challenges. Pilots must be vigilant about weather conditions, wind patterns, and turbulence. Safety is paramount, and rigorous training is essential to master the skills required for a safe and enjoyable flight. Hang gliding also offers a unique perspective on the world below. As you glide above the landscape, you'll witness breathtaking vistas, from rugged mountains to pristine beaches. It's a sensory experience like no other, where you can feel the warmth of the sun on your face and the cool breeze against your skin. As we delve deeper into the world of hang gliding, it's essential to highlight the community that surrounds this sport. Enthusiasts from all walks of life come together to share their passion for flight. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or a newbie taking your first flight, you'll find camaraderie and a sense of belonging among fellow hang gliders. Now, if you're thinking about giving hang gliding a try, there are some key things to consider. First and foremost, safety should always be your top priority. Seek out a reputable instructor or school that can provide you with proper training and guidance. Learning the fundamentals, from takeoff to landing, is crucial for a successful hang gliding experience. Additionally, make sure to invest in the right equipment. Your hang glider, harness, and safety gear should be in top-notch condition to ensure a safe and enjoyable flight. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more time you spend in the air, the more confident and skilled you'll become. So, whether you're an adrenaline junkie seeking the ultimate thrill or simply looking for a unique way to connect with nature, hang gliding offers an incredible adventure. It's a sport that combines the beauty of flight with the exhilaration of being one with the elements. Before we wrap up this journey into the world of hang gliding, we want to invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you've been inspired by the incredible experiences shared today and want to stay updated on more exciting adventures and informative content, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Hang gliding is not just a sport, it's a lifestyle, a passion, and a source of endless wonder. So, spread your wings and soar with us as we explore the world from a whole new perspective. Until next time, keep reaching for the skies.